Modern medicine has advanced light years since the 1950s, but when it comes to handling patient information, the vast majority of American doctors are still using the same system physicians used 50 years ago: antiquated paper charts.
I have told people this numerous times. The hardest part about my job is not taking care of the patients, but the business side of medicine.
More time is spent doing paperwork than actual patient care.
It just seems to get worse and worse each year.
Just tracking them down, trying to find the chart, the patient's waiting.
You find yourself taking the paperwork home, and instead of spending the time with your family, you end up spending the time with your charts.
Electronic medical record technology seemed to be the perfect answer, but early EMRs were hard to learn and limiting. With only 4% of U.S. physicians using a fully functioning EMR, it's time for a change.
We looked at a few other EMRs and the other options were not good.
It's time for a new kind of EMR, an EMR that works the way doctors do, based on the widely used and powerful Microsoft Office platform. That EMR was created by GlowStream.
I found GlowStream to be the best in class. I have not seen an EMR that allows me to do anything close in terms of a customizable note that GlowStream allows me to use.
If I had a patient from yesterday, I would go under View Documents. One click would get me to the surgical pictures, and my left side of the screen basically becomes my own toolbar. And then all of my medical data is sitting here. I don't need to start getting IT people to set up new databases for me, because at the end of it, it's just an Office note from Microsoft. And everybody knows how to use that.
Being able to dictate right into Microsoft Word is very convenient. If I speak the way I'm speaking to you right now, the dictation is very, very accurate.
GlowStream makes every member of the medical team more productive, which means higher profits for the practice.
So it's not just my efficiency, it's the efficiency of my entire practice and my partners. They can look at my note quickly, not have to wait for somebody to find the chart, not have to call a patient back, because they can immediately get on the phone, answer the question, and it's done.
I have no more stationery costs, I have no transcription costs, I have no paper costs, I have no postage costs. I think long-term we're going to save tens of thousands of dollars.
An EMR has to work all day, every day. That's why GlowStream is the only EMR delivered and supported through local partners.
Well, the local support with GlowStream is part of the reason we made the switch from a previous product. I'm able to make a phone call, or my staff is, and say, here's our concern, and literally within an hour at times, we'll have an IT representative in our office fixing the problem.
Now more than ever, the time is right for GlowStream, because the Obama stimulus package gives local doctors up to $44,000 each to implement an EMR. All over the country, doctors are choosing GlowStream, because only GlowStream offers them the freedom to practice medicine on their terms.
I can spend my whole time in the room and interact with the patient.
This is a whole different system. It's just really about patient care.
I mean, the simplest way to put it is it allows me to practice medicine again.
One-click access to all patient information. An intuitive interface that works the way doctors work. State-of-the-art voice recognition and dictation. The power and convenience of Microsoft Office. A $44,000 incentive for every doctor in America. And improved patient care. For GlowStream and Microsoft, the time is now.